Hi guys, this is my CNC mill. It is now, I've just got it working, so I've got the servo drives and the spindle and everything turning and working good. The machine's currently just homing, just about to home it, and then I'll run a program just to show you guys it working. And then the spindle, I still haven't quite got I haven't connected up the variable speed or the analog input and the forward and reverse input onto the variable speed drive. But yeah, anyway, so we'll start this. So shall I just drive around first as we can? So Luke, if you zoom in on the screen without shaking. Yep. And then go down to the table. So yeah, you can see it works fine. Just jog in on the keyboard. Here's the Z-axis. Now, yeah, it's all ready to go. So, Luke, if you follow me, come around the back of this machine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you look in here, you can see the mill. There's my screen, there's my variable speed drive. All the servos are sitting there powered up. We've got various e-stops, and some of this wiring needs a bit of a clean up, but that's okay. So, what I'll get you to do, Luke, if you can go around the front of the machine and look at the spindle, I'll turn it on from the back while you're around there.
Okay. I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready. Wow. Speed it up quick. Yeah. How fast is that, Andrew?
So that's only about 1,000 RPM. This machine will do 10,000, but that's about as fast as I want to go. Yeah, mate, the action over there. That's about as fast as I want to go without checking my bearings and everything are good on that spindle that hasn't been run for ages. But if we go into here now, so looking at the machine, if we open up our 3D chips, little classic Linuxcnc bit of G-code, and clear the plot. Yep. Okay, so we're going to run this now. Yep, so look, if you just zoom in on that, oh don't zoom, just watch it. I will start this.
What's it doing now, Andrew?
Okay. So if we look at the screen now, as you can see, it's got pretty good acceleration sitting here. So just looking from the side, this is a side view of the y-axis doing the 3D chips, little G-code piece. And that's it. Obviously the spindle doesn't turn off because I haven't got it connected yet, but yeah. I'll just come and do a long shot. There's my first project over there, the CNC router.
Man.
Then I upgraded a little bit. So yeah, enjoy guys, it's working.